faster, better, cheaper. It's a tough world to live in. And another important factor that we are doing in Pakistan as we go forward is that we are going to open up the markets. The energy sector as we have it today, you're going to have with the new electricity policy that's going to come in. Today we have a single buyer market. It's going to be a multi-seller, multi-buyer market. And what you will have is companies that are going to be doing wheeling. You'll be able to produce energy in one side, get your customers and sell it to those customers where it is economical for them to buy. So it's going to be survival of the fittest. So when you have all these things coming in together, you have a market size of over $100 billion. You've got a generation market size of about $40 billion. You've got a transmission market size of $20 billion. You've got a distribution market size of $15 to $20 billion. Pakistan is a large market for all the industry of the world to come and invest in. We want investment to come in. The barriers of entries are being slashed. It's an open market. You can have your own production facilities, invest. The rates of return are there. The population size is there. From the distribution side, all the way up and down the value chain. The companies, ladies and gentlemen, last 2 words and then I'll beg leave because we have to go. The companies that are looking at investing in Pakistan in their manufacturing facilities, it's not just to cater to the domestic market. It's using Pakistan as a launch pad for the Central Asian republics as well as for Africa. Why? Because the technology base is available in Pakistan. Another important factor you have to keep in mind is that Pakistan's GDP per capita, if you look at Pakistan's GDP, it's $300 billion. That's the official. You factor in the unofficial GDP, that's almost the size of the official economy. For a developing country, an undocumented size of the economy can be anywhere between 50% to 100% of the economy. For a country like OECD countries, for Germany, the United States, this is approximately 18 to 20% of the economy. Excellency is informal economy. It's the mom and pop shops, the cab drivers, where you pay, where cash transactions take place. So if you look at a 300 billion economy, a documented, and you put in another same size of the economy, that's a $600 billion economy. And then for a reference point, an oil-rich country like Saudi Arabia, the size of its GDP is $850 billion. All of a sudden things start making sense. A country like Japan, they have got companies in Japan which have got algorithms that track the size of the economy, formal, informal, and the minute it touches $3,000 per capita, they come and make investments in that country. That is happening in Pakistan. That is what we have. And what does that mean for the country? It means that the demand of energy that we have to constantly factor in the informal size of the economy because they are plugged in as well. And you just go outside Islamabad, the developments which are taking place, our urbanization, our demand for white consumer goods, all these factors, they demand energy. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm very glad NEPRA is having this energy week. And as the technical experts, they come and give their talks and their thoughts, they share them with the audience over here. We're looking forward to some very good synthesis coming out of this because nobody has an exclusive on wisdom. Wisdom comes from anywhere and everywhere. So I think together when these views come forward, a good document will be crafted, and we have to keep in mind that the resilience of the Pakistani nation is tremendous. We are technically oriented. We've got a very strong engineering base, a very strong engineering base. We are a nuclear power. We've got expertise in the aerospace industry. We've got expertise in the engineering sector. There are very few countries of the world which have this sort of a mix. We've got the entrepreneurial spirit, the innovation spirit. So putting all these things together, the sky's the limit. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Pakistan Zindabad.
वज़ीर तवानाई उमर अयूब इस्लामाबाद में तक़रीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उनका यह कहना था कि पाकिस्तान में नई टेक्नोलॉजी ला रहे हैं, मौजूदा दौरे हुकूमत में तवानाई के शोबे में बेहतरी पर काम कर रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान में सरमाया कारी के बेहतरीन मौक़े भी मौजूद हैं, जबकि हुकूमत सरमायाकारों को राग़िब करने के लिए भी खातिर ख़्वाह इक़दामात कर रही है।